Hello friends, how are you all? Hope you all are fine today. I'm going to tell you about such a world where all your dreams can come true. Yes friends, I'm talking about cryptocurrency in India. The trading currency is the cryptocurrency. I'm going to tell you about such a smart coin which is services based coin BitTorrent BTT. You can get the BTT coin on Coins Market or on any verified exchange. The value of BTT in INR is 0.23 rupees, $0.1 by the end of 2021, and the BTT price in 2022 is prediction. Then $1 is going to be pumped like a rocket for the next 5 years to $5. Today we are going to talk to you about such a BTT based program where by just investing 200 BTT you can make crores of income. Please look at this opportunity carefully. Yes friends, I am talking about Hydro BTT. Its official website is www.hydrobtt.world. To join yourself with the Hydro BTT, visit the official website and register yourself. Joining through 200 BTT only, you can make huge income. The type of income in it are direct income, matrix level income which is non-working, cashback income and universal pool income. We are going to talk about each type of income separately. 100% distribution of 200 BTT is done by the company. Namely, 30% of the direct, 50% of the matrix level, 10% of cashback and 10% of organization fund. Firstly, let's talk about direct income. From direct income, you get 30% income. You can earn 28,710 BTT from one direct. How you can earn 28,710 BTT? Let's know this. As soon as you complete one direct, you immediately get 30% of 200 BTT, that is 60 BTT. Now, as soon as there is an income of 200 BTT in that ID, the system holds it till it completes the income of 500 BTT. When the ID completes 500 BTT, the system auto upgrades it and you again get 30% of 500 BTT, that is 150 BTT from that ID. Similarly, you can get 30% of 1000 BTT, 2000 BTT and so on till 50,000 BTT. You can get 30% of it also. You can make unlimited numbers of directs and make unlimited income through this. Now let's talk about matrix level income. This is a very good type of income. Now let's know about it. Firstly, the matrix. Which come is the star matrix. In this matrix, till 10 levels of members come. After you complete 2 direct, there is auto-filling system. For all level in star matrix, as soon as 2 members come, you get 10 BTT from each person, making the total income for the first level. In second, 4 member will come, making the income 40 BTT. In the third level, you get 80 BTT. Similarly, in the 10th level, 2040 members will give you 20,460 BTT income. Then with 500 BTT, your ID gets auto upgrade to bronze level. Matrix income in the first level, 2 members will come. You will get 25 BTT from each of the member, making the first level income 50 BTT. In the second level, you will get 100 BTT. In the third level, you get 200 BTT. Similarly, in the 10th level, you get a total of 51,150 BTT. After that, in order to take the silver matrix level income, you need to upgrade your ID by 1000 BTT or your ID gets auto upgraded to in the silver matrix. You will get total income of 1,02,300 BTT income. Your gold matrix will get upgraded by 200 BTT in the gold matrix. matrix. You will get total income of 2,04,600 BTT income. Similarly, your Ruby matrix will be upgraded by 300 BTT. Total income will be 3,06,900 BTT. Pearl matrix will be upgraded by 4,000 BTT and total income will be 4,09,200 BTT. Diamond matrix will be upgraded by 5,000 BTT and it will give the total income of 5,11,500 BTT. You can upgrade the Emerald matrix by 10,000 BTT and here the total income will be 10,23,000 BTT. In the Topaz matrix, it will be upgraded by 20,000 BTT and the total income will be 20,46,000 BTT. In the last income, the King matrix, you can upgrade it by 50,000 BTT and the total income here will be 51,15,000 BTT. You can see the how much great income you can generate by King matrix. Similarly, you can see here that with the how many BTT you can upgrade your each matrix level and the total income, if we calculate the total of all BTT, so it would be 97,90,110 BTT. So you can see without doing any work you can earn more than that 97 lakhs BTT. Now let's talk about the daily cashback income. This income you will get daily. For example, from all the IDs the company take 10%, that is 20 BTT and distribute it equally in all. Similarly, when new people get upgraded into a matrix, their upgrade amount is distributed in all the members of that matrix. In order to take daily cashback income is compulsory to complete 2 direct. Now let's talk about the universal pool income, which works globally. In order to go to global matrix, you have to take entry with 1000 BTT. For example, when your ID is joined with 200 BTT and upgraded with 500 BTT, then the option to go to global matrix is opened. Also, 2 directs are compulsory to go into it. The universal pool comprises of 5 levels. In the first level, 2 members come and you will get income of 200 BTT each. That is 400 BTT in the second level. From 4 members, you get 800 BTT. In the third level, with 8 members, you get 1600 BTT. In fourth level, with 16 members, you get 3200 BTT. In the fifth level, with the 32 members, you get 6400 BTT. Therefore, the total number of members coming in all 5 levels will be 62 and total income will be 12,400 BTT. You can also mark re-entry into universal pool using 1000 BTT again and again. There will be no IDs in the company that will not come in global pool. Also, all IDs will be automatically go to global matrices. If any ID does not get into global matrix as soon as it completed is 1000 BTT, the system will be automatically sent it to global matrix. There will be no ID in the company that does not auto upgrade. Also, there will be no ID that does not come in universal pool. If 1 member is added to your down, then the payment goes to 10 members. And if 1 ID goes to universal pool, income 5 people get paid. Now let's talk about the company terms and conditions. There is free registration system. There will be daily closing, daily payout system. Minimum withdrawal is 50 BTT and maximum unlimited. Fund transfer minimum 10 BTT and its multiple. 2 direct compulsory for universal pool income and cashback. You can withdraw your amount in any BTT account. Deduction admin charges will be 10% for every withdrawal. Instant withdrawal system 24/7 days. All income will be generated after top up. The company is available 24/7 for your support 100%. Non-working matrix plan and 100% auto upgrade. Of all the plans available in the market, Hydro BTT is the best plan. All the big leaders have understood the plan well and is joining and making their teams because this is 100% calculate and long time plan. Join as soon as possible. Make your team also. You can earn lakhs of income by just investing 200 BTT. If you want to join with this plan, the link is given in the description box and the contact number is shown on the screen. Do contact if you have any queries. Also, if you have come to our channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to watch such valuable videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.